In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Drive to manage and share your files. Google Drive is an incredibly versatile tool for storing your documents, collaborating in real time, and sharing files securely. Our focus today will be on creating and managing copies of shared files to maintain an organized and efficient workflow. So let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Drive's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials to access your cloud storage. Google Drive is linked directly to your Google account, which means you have a seamless integration with other Google services and plenty of storage space at your disposal. Once you're logged in, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. From there, click on the Shared With Me section. This is where you can view all the files and documents that others have shared with you. It's a handy area to keep track of those collaborative documents you're working on with colleagues or friends. Now find the file in the list that you wish to copy, right-click on it, and notice the menu that pops up with a variety of options. From this menu, click on Make a Copy. This step is crucial because it allows you to have your own version of the shared document. This copy is independent of the original file, so you can modify it without affecting the version other people have access to. Next, it's time to organize our copied file. Click on My Drive in the left menu to see all the files and folders in your personal drive. Having a dedicated space for your own files helps a lot with keeping everything organized and easy to find. Now locate your newly copied file in My Drive, right-click on it to rename it and make it easier to recognize later. Once you've done that, it's a good practice to move the file into a new folder. Create a new folder specifically for these shared copies by clicking on the New button, selecting Folder, and giving it an appropriate name. Simply drag and drop your file into this folder, or right-click and select Move To, then choose the new folder. Finally, share this folder with others when needed. You can do this by right-clicking on the folder, selecting Share, and sending the link to your collaborators. Just remember, even though the file is in a separate folder, it still reflects your account as the owner. This method keeps your main drive organized and separates shared copies for better management and control. By following these steps, you not only maintain a tidy record of all your shared files, but also ensure that your personal copies are efficiently managed and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to apply these tips for a smoother Google Drive experience.